Students, I hope all of you are fit and fine at home. Now, this is your grammar lecture. Already we have finished lesson number 9, that is singular plural nouns. Now, in this lecture, we learn about nouns, that is gender. Okay. Now, what we learn? Gender. What is spelling of gender? Gender. 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 Okay, this is important. See here, look at the following pictures. Look at the following pictures. See this picture. Who is it? This is king. Who is this boy? His father. Okay, or father. Now the nouns king, boy and father. The nouns king, boy and father stand for male person and therefore they are said to be the male gender. This king, boy and father stand for whom? Male persons, and therefore they are said to be the male gender. Okay, that means our father, grandfather, uncle, suppose boy is there, then all they come in male gender. What is their gender? Their gender is male. Male gender. Male gender includes all the nouns which denote a male member. Male gender includes all the nouns which denotes a male member. In male gender, who is included? All the male members. Not in human, but also in animal. That is cock, horse, peacock, ox, our brother, imperial. All these are coming in which? Male gender. Okay. Now see next. See this picture. She is a queen, girl and our mother. Okay, queen, girl and mother. The nouns queen, girl and mother stand for female person. The noun queen, girl and mother stand for whom? Female personality. Okay, and therefore they are said to be female gender. They are names of female person, that's why they are female gender. Female gender includes all the nouns which denote a female member. Female gender includes all the nouns which denote a female member. That means what? Who is coming in female gender now? Tell me. Our sister, mother, auntie, then uncle is coming? No, uncle is already coming in what? Male gender. Then cow, then lady, peon, grandmother, aunt, okay, nicey. All these coming in what? Female gender. Now you learn this, what is that female gender and male gender, and learn the spelling of gender and this male gender spelling and female gender spelling, and tell me what is your gender. Okay, send that message on group. Okay, that is my gender is I am female gender, I am male gender. Okay, that is. Next, see question number 1. Fill in the blanks with male or female gender nouns from the box. Fill in the blanks with male or female gender nouns from the box. In box, some names are given. First we read grandmother, empress, brother, cow, wizard, gentleman, peon, and bride. Now next, some pairs are given. Okay, brother, sister, cow, ox, then bridegroom, bride, then who is the grandfather? No, grandfather. No. Who is the gentleman and lady? Next, wizard and witch, peacock, peon, grandfather, grandmother, king, that is you can say emperor or empress. Okay. Now we write here first, what is a female, that male name of that sister, male gender of sister, brother. Okay, sister, what we say, brother and sister. Next, bull or ox and, okay, what is the female of bull, that is cow. Who is that, cow, cow, cow. So right properly there, brother here. Next, bridegroom, bride. Okay, what is spelling of bride, bride, bride. What is the male of lady, that is gentleman. Okay, what is spelling of gentleman, gentleman, gentleman. Next, what is the male of witch, is wizard. Okay, what is that, wizard. Next, peacock and, okay, what is the female of peacock, peon. What is that, peon. What is spelling of peon, peahe and peon. Next, grandfather's female is grandmother, grandfather and grandmother, grandfather and grandmother. What is a female of emperor, is empress. What is that, empress. So right here, EMPRESS, empress. Understood? Okay, learn this spelling and write this all up to H in your notebook. Okay, and learn that spellings all. With the help of clues given, find and encircle the correct words in the grid below. Okay, some clues are given. We want to encircle the proper that word. Okay, female of tiger. What is called female of tiger? That is tigress. Okay, see here, this way you want to make circle here, tigress. Next, female of cock. What is what called female of cock, is hen. That is HEN. Next, male of an actress. Male of an actress is called actor. See here, ACTOR, actor. This way you want to do. Next, female of lad. That is small baby is called lad, and that is female of lad is called lass. Okay, small girl. Okay. Next, female of husband. Female of husband is called wife. Husband, wife. Next, male of an aunt. Male of an aunt is called uncle. Okay, see here, UNCLE, uncle. Next, female of